Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning into episode number 5. This episode will be a little different than some of my first videos on this channel, where I was actually at home brewing different types of coffee, different ways, checking different flavor profiles. Here in episode 5, I'm actually going to talk about the little road trip that I had this weekend around Los Angeles. I was able to go to 2 coffee shops, so episode number 5 here is a little bit of review of the second coffee shop. If you'd like this video, feel free to like it and subscribe and use the Taco Bell icon to get notifications for this channel. And I forgot to mention in my last video, but we are still looking for a sponsor for this channel. So anyways, this past Saturday, I was able to drive and check out Dayglow Coffee, which is in Silverlake here in Los Angeles. So again, just the name is just Dayglow in Silverlake. And there I had a double espresso. It was about $4.50 for the double espresso. They served it on a nice tray. I'll include a picture with a palate cleanser, which was just like fizzy water, so sparkling water on the side. And man, was it an impressive shot of espresso. This is a very small cafe. I mean, maybe sits like 10 people. There's like maybe 20 people, 10 tables, maybe even less. But it's very cool. It's all pink on the inside. They have some awesome things to purchase and like take away, like coffees and filters and things like that. So more to the double espresso. It was very dark, as you would assume that a double espresso would be, and it was awesome. It was a great double shot. I gave the appearance a 4. It was a great presentation of what I got for $4.50 in Los Angeles, which is pretty much the going rate of any coffee nowadays here in Los Angeles. The aroma was awesome. As soon as I brought it to my nose, I got a whiff of just a variety of different flavors. Oh man, I forgot to rate this on taste. I think this would probably be a 4. This is the first 4 I've given so far on the channel, but the taste I would give a 4. I'll go over the flavor profile in just a second, but all in all, a burst of flavor on this espresso. The crema was just kind of average. It had a little bit more than the coffee that I reviewed in episode 4. But there was a nice crema on the coffee, but it didn't like blow me away. It wasn't really foamy, things like that. And the overall rating, I forgot to bubble it again, but I would give it a 4 as well. So this is the first 4 overall that I've given. But last but not least, the flavor wheel. I found a lot of fruity and herby flavors early on. When I first tasted the coffee, when it was hot after I had the palate cleanser, and I did notice a kind of salty and smoky flavor that occurred kind of mid drink of the coffee, or espresso should I say, before it got cold. Like I said, I really enjoyed it. Probably one of the best coffee shops I've ever been to in Los Angeles, so highly recommend it. Again, it's Dayglow in Silver Lake. Thanks again for watching.